Okay, so I have logged in. The minute is taking some time. Okay, so now let me share the screen. Okay, share the screen. Okay, are you able to see my screen? Just check. Chat. Are you able to see my screen? Yes. Nirmal says yes. Then Nizamuddin says yes. Maulidar says yes. Thank you. Thank you very much, friends. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. Now I have stopped again screen sharing. Now let me share it once again. One minute. Okay. Now let us start the first program. Are you able to see my channel? Yes. You are able to see two channels. Am I right? Two channels you are able to see. Jigar, am I right? Two channels you are able to see. That is data center IoT 10 days. Am I right? Yes or no? Are you able to watch the screen? Yes, yes. Thank you, Bida Pranay. Thank you for confirmation. Now, so we are going to 10 days channel. Okay. So here I'm doing some settings. So that's why I'm taking some time. Okay. So now, see, we are transfer zero and then we are transfer two and two. Okay. So meeting chat. Okay, so we have drawn this particular sketch. Now, how to transfer data to this cloud? Yes, last we have discussed how to transfer data to the cloud, to this cloud. Who can give the answer? Yes, yes, my friends. How to transfer data to cloud? Anybody? Anybody? I would
So
like to
URL.
transfer. Yes, yes, using URL. Just type data. Using URL. Who is this person are doing something scratches on the team? Remove this person. Okay, you using URL. Where I'll get this URL? Where I'll get this URL? Yes, where I'll get this URL? Where I'll get this URL? Anybody? Anybody? Yes, API keys. Nirmal Jha. Yes, thank you, Vida. So I'll go to API key. Okay. So I'll copy this API key. Last time what we did, we have used the browser of same Control C. We have used the browser of same computer. Today I'm taking that particular key in my mobile. I'm transferring this to WhatsApp to my mobile. I should be able to copy this link to the browser of my mobile. I should be able to transfer data so that I should be able to demonstrate how data is transferring and how we control things from that particular link. It will go to cloud, and from cloud we will fetch that data to our device. Okay. So now we are going to program. We are going to program our Node MCU device. Okay. So are you ready for this programming? Ready for this programming? Say ready, ready, ready. Are you ready for this programming? We are going to program Node MCU. Yes, yes, ready, ready. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Buddha. Thank you, thank you. Now let me open the basic program. See, see. Now receive data from ThinkSpeak. Let us open this. So one bit. Just a minute, just a minute. Wait. Open this Arduino. Okay. So now how to receive data from the cloud? That program we are going to see. Okay. So my dear friends, let me clear one thing to you. You cannot develop program from the scratch. Okay. If programming is already available, we have to use the program of other, and on that program we have to build our things. Okay. So what I meant to say, I'll clear. Just give me 1 minute. Let me open the program. So just a minute. Program. receive data from thee. Okay. So now I'll elaborate this program to you. Okay. So my dear friends, do you know header files? How many of you know header files? I will already using sir this application. Okay, very good, very good, very good, very good. No problem. So now, do you know what is header file? Anybody? Anybody? Yes, Karthik says yes. Yes, yes. So header file is nothing but it is already program developed file by somebody. Okay, and we are going to use some commands from his or her files. Okay, so now the things are so much advanced. Predefined files. Yes, yes. This is 27427. Please check name of your device, boss, so that I should be able to identify you. Prachi, Karthik, and then 2427. So it is predefined file developed by somebody, and we are going to use commands from that file. Okay. So now here you will see ESP 8266Y. So definitely, ESP community has developed the file so that they should be able to access the Wi-Fi. Okay. Then Wi-Fi client and ThingSpeak. Now this ThingSpeak is the file which is provided by ThingSpeak community. Now see, same file I'll provide in your group. The thingspeak.h file I'll provide to your WhatsApp group. Okay. So how to download this file? See, if you try to program your device by using this code, it may result into error if you don't have this ThingSpeak file. Okay. So how to load this ThingSpeak file to this particular software? So here you have to go to tools. Here you have to go to tools. No, not tools. In Sketch. In Sketch, you will find include library tab, and include library. Here you have to say add zip. Here you have to say add zip. The moment you will say add zip, it will open the folder, and you have to here give the path of that ThingSpeak master which I'll provide in your WhatsApp group, and you just have to install it. Okay. The moment you install it, this file the color of this will change. Okay, initially the color will be different. After successful installation of that file, the current color will be different. So whatever I said, you got it? Do you got this? Yes or no? Or should I? Yes. Prachi says yes. Should I? Okay. Charissa says yes. Please, please, friends, just go on chatting so that I'll get energy. Otherwise, I'll get demotivated. So energy should be high so that you should learn from me and the best possible way. Maulidhar, Nirmal Jha. Okay, thank you, boss. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now, let us elaborate program more. Okay, now, next thing, INTI. So, this we have taken one variable, INT variable. So, this is called as data type. I think you know the data type. Do you know the data type? So, when I define INTI, how much memory space this I will get? Anybody knows the answer of this question? So when I say INTI, what happens with I? What happens with I? Anybody? Yes, integer data type. And thank you, beta, Rishabh. Okay, integer data type is defined. Okay, very good. But inside of controller or inside of, yes, very good. Harshan says memory space is allocated. Very good. Memory space is allocated. When I say INTI, to this particular variable I, some memory space is allocated. Okay. So how many bit memory space is allocated? Karthik says 4 byte. Anybody else? Anybody would like to say? Karthik has given not suitable answer. No, 8 bit. Thank you very much. It's 8 bit. Harshal says it's not 8 bit. Even not 8 bit. Even not 8 bit. When we define integer, how many byte or how many bit data space is allocated? Not 4 byte. Charita, not 2 bit. Prachi, it's not a bit. It's not bit. 2 bit, it's very less. Eh, okay. Should I wait for a while? Anybody? It's 2 byte. It's 2 byte. 8, yes, yes. Thank you. 16 bits, Smriti says. Then Raghavan says. Or 4 byte float agar hai, to that will take 4 byte. It is 2 byte data, means 16 bit. Okay. And that's why, no, it's 2 byte, 16 bit beta. 2 raised to power 16, that becomes 65,530. And that's why the range is half, 32,000 plus and 32,000 minus. Okay. So if you know this, I just elaborate this so that your knowledge improve. Okay. So when we define data type, we allocate memory space. So data type, in data type, there is integer, there is character, there is byte, there is float, there is double, and so on. You can Google it and you will get the memory space. Depending on your requirement, you can allocate the data. Okay. So it can be integer, it can be float, it can be double, it can be long, or and so on. Depending on our requirement, we have to select the data type. How many of you got it? The concept. I got the concept? Yes or no? Yes. Is it clear? Yes. Rohini is clear. Yes. Sanjay says clear. Maulidhar says clear. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Kavita. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much, boss. Thank you. So now we have defined one data type. Now, can you say me whether this is global or local? I define it. Whether it is global or local. Swapnil says local. Okay, very good. Rohini says global. Prachi says global. Harshadhan says global, but question mark. Why? Harshadhan, yes, global, global. Yes, it is global. It is global. Global and local. Now here are there are let me elaborate some difference. Okay, here there is wide setup and it's wide setup and wide loop. Okay, wide setup and wide loop. So there are two opening braces and closing braces. Or either way, I can say loop. Okay. So if inside to this setup or inside to this loop, if I define any variable, int or character or byte, it becomes local variable. It becomes local variable. Okay. Means if I use I cannot use, if I define any variable here, I cannot use that variable outside of that loop. That is called as local. But here I have defined I outside of both loops. So it becomes global. Its value is global. You can use inside setup and inside loop also. Okay. I hope clear the concept of global and local. Is it clear? Is it clear? Because it is included in the header file. No, it is not included in header file. Header file is defined above. Rushabh, the header files are defined above. It is not inside. It is the part of complete program. So that's why it is global. Okay, I hope the concept is clear. Now, this Wi-Fi client, one object is defined which represents this Wi-Fi file. Okay, so now inside setup, serial begin 9600. Serial begin 9600. What is the function of this command? I'll elaborate sometime later. Okay, just hold it. Serial begin 900. After that, ThingSpeak begin client. So again, this command is related with ThingSpeak library. Then delay of 1 second. And now Wi-Fi begin. This is very important, my dear friends. This is very important. Wi-Fi begin. What is this ABCD? Do you know what is this? What can be this ABCD? Can anybody, or if anybody is having idea, can you please let me know? What is this? Wi-Fi begin ABCD, and later there is yes 1 to 9. It is name, yes, SSID Wi-Fi name. See, very good. Thank you, beta. Is Shanmuga? Thank you. Umesh, thank you. Rishabh, thank you. Okay, it is SSID, or we can say the Wi-Fi name which your node MCU should get connected. Is it clear? It is route. It might be your router or it might be your mobile Wi-Fi. Okay. My dear friends, it should be very simple. Initially, when you are practicing this, it should be simple. Let me elaborate, narrate one incident. I was in Chandrapur taking physical workshop. In the lab of Chandrapur, there is no internet except Airtel. Only Airtel internet. We are getting only Airtel internet network. Okay, no other network. I was having BSNL and Jio. So I'm a little bit handicapped. So two student I asked anybody is having Airtel. So one student is having Airtel network. So I asked him. Please open it. I would like to share the WhatsApp file. So he has opened this network. And do you know what is the name of his network? Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. I get surprised. And later I ask the question, do you have password? Eating sugar, no, Papa. And that guy says, yes, it is the password. Eating sugar, no, Papa. So I hand over my laptop to him and say, please put it. Because if password and ID is such a kind of, and if we commit little mistake, so our ID, our device, Node MC will not connect to this particular whatever Wi-Fi ID we have written because there may be some mismatch. So that's why initially it should be simple, and that's why I kept ABCD and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, how many of you are clear it is? Wi-Fi begin. It should be as simple as possible. How many of it is getting clear to you? And of what this? This is your hotspot ID. If you are using mobile, it should be hotspot ID. And if you are using any router, so that should be your router or LAN. It should be. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Beta Sanjay. Then Jivesh Pooja. Thank you. Yes, 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 Karthik. We use disconnect for making it reset. Yes, thank you. Karthik, before connect, we use disconnect because it might be possible that your device is already connected to another device. So it will disconnect all the networks if it is already connected. So that's why we use Wi-Fi disconnect. Okay. So I hope it is clear. Now this while loop is very important. We are saying that Wi-Fi status is not equals to Wi-Fi connected. Means unless and until our Wi-Fi is not connected to actual Wi-Fi, whatever we want. So it will remain in that loop. Are you getting me? Not connected. First is there is explanation mark which indicates not. Unless until our Wi-Fi status is not equals to Wi-Fi connected, this loop will go on iterating. And we have given 300 millisecond delay, and here we have written print dot serial print dot. Okay. Now this serial print dot and serial begin 9600. It is related. I'll burn the program and later I'll explain this both command. Okay, just give me some time. Now see, the moment your device will get connected, here again it will write on monitor that is Wi-Fi connected. Again, I'll explain it later when we will see the program. By output, I'll explain it. Now, the moment our Wi-Fi get connected to our Node MC get connected with Wi-Fi, whatever SSID and password you have given, then it will enter into loop, and in loop it will go on rotating continuously. Now see, what is program? Here it is. I equals to thingspeak dot read field, and this is channel ID. One is field number, and this is API key. Which type of API key should be here, and from where I'll get this number? Yeah, 277. From where I'll get this number? What I have written, I equals to ThinkSpeak, read int fit, and one number is there. Anybody is having idea what this first number is representing? Anybody is having idea? Anybody is having idea what this first number is representing? Channel number. Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you, boss. Thank you. It represents channel number. Okay. So now, what I am doing, channel. From where I'll get this channel number? So I open this, and here I have to open. I'm going to ThinkSpeak, and here it's channel. So here my channel number is 279 and something. I'm just copying it. Okay. You cannot remember it. So copy it. And where I have to paste it? I have to paste it here. Control B. Okay. I have to delete it. Let me give you some time. Control Z. Here I have to select it and Control V. Okay. So I pasted it. What is this? What one represents? Yes. What one represents? Anybody? What one represents? What this one represents? What is having idea? No, yeah, it's high, high. Okay, very good, very good. You are trying. I'm very happy. Yes, Kanyath. I might be pronounced it wrongly. Rohini. It's field number. Though you give answer that might be wrong, no problem. I'm very happy that you are giving the answer. Oh, it is a but you are trying to give that answer. One may be high. but here it represents field number. Here it represents field number. And we have created only one field, that's why here is only one field. When we'll interface DHT, there we are going to create two and three fields. Okay, so presently it's one. And what this number represents, last field, what this represents? Anybody? What this last number represent? Yes, API key. Very good, very good. Now, can you say me whether it is right or read? Very good, very good. Thank you, Beta. Hari Prakash, then Kavita. Thank you. It is API key, but there were two API keys. Which API keys were there? Do you remember? I said in the second or first. Yes, read and write. Thank you, Prachi. Kanak. Here, which API we should use? Read or write? Read or write? Yes. Uh, Dava Darshani. Deva Darshani. If Deva Darshani. If I pronounce it wrong, please forgive me. Please forgive me. It's Deva Darshani. Manoj, read and write. Charita, it should be read. Nirmal, it should be read. Yes, because we are reading data from the cloud. Read API. We are reading data from the cloud. Thank you, my dear friends. Thank you, Kavita. Then Swapnil, Prachi. You are great people. You are very great people, and you are very attentive people. That's why you are able to give the answer. Thank you, friends. Thank you very much. Now, let's move to our API keys. Which key I should copy? So it should be read. It should be read. Control C. Am I right? It should be read key. Am I right? Yes, you said already it is read key. So I'm replacing this key, Control P. Okay. So now, when I say I is equals to things big, read fit, what this particular command will do? Can anybody say me what this particular command will do? Anybody? What this command will do? Anybody's having idea? The first command, I is equals to ThinkSpeak dot read int field in bracket where put channel ID, field number, and read API key. So what you expect, what they should do? Harshan says fetch data. Shri Vanilla says fetching data. Okay, very good. Now, where that data will be there inside to that controller, वो data कहाँ पे रहेगा controller के अंदर, where that location of that data will be there, or by what name we have accessed it. The data will be fetched from the cloud, and now it is bringing inside the controller. But inside the controller inside the controller where that data will be, and what is the name of that data, how I can access that data. Yes, thank you, Harshan. It is I initially we have created stored in I. Thank you, Rohini. Thank you. Nizamuddin, thank you very much. It is in I because we have created one storage by defining int I, and now in that we are keeping that data. Now the data brought from the cloud and in my controller is in I. Okay, so now would like to see that data. We'd like to see that data. What is data in I? And that's why we have written one command, serial print ln I. That's why you have written one command, serial print ln I. So anybody's having idea what this command will do? Serial print I, what this command will do? Anybody's having idea? I just checking. Yes, print on new line. Okay, print on new line. Print on console. Good, very good. Harshan, can you say me what that console is called? यहाँ पे console को क्या बोलते हैं? New line print. Very good, very good. Ashok, thank you, Breda. Kanya, yes. Harshan said terminal print time. So it will print. It will transfer that data to USB. Where that data will be transferred? It will transfer that data to USB. Now the understand, the code will execute inside to this controller. Code will execute inside to this controller, and the moment we say print serial print ln, it will transfer data to this particular cable. Okay, and through this cable that will transfer to computer, and in computer how to see that data, that we will see sometimes later when I'll show you data. I have left some commands to explain. Okay, so now, and I'll get data with a delay of 1 second. How many of you partially understand the program? I use word partially. Okay, how many of you partially understand the program? How many of you fully understand the program? Yes, you write full or partial. Understand. Yes, Kavita says understand. Ashok says understand. Sunanda says yes, partial. Srivedlana says partial. Swapnil says partial. Is there partial? Umesh partial. Jana, Subrat Kumar, then Sunanda, Sanjay. Thank you very much, man. Thank you. Yes, 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 yes. Now, should we see the output of it? Should I burn this code to my node MCU? Let us burn it. Okay. So again, here there is no, I have not selected any board. Okay. And here is, if you see which com are available, it is 935 468. Okay. Can you repeat once again that code? Yes, Umesh, I'm going to repeat again. Let me allow to burn. I'll show you output, and Umesh, I'll repeat the code again. Sure. Yes, of course, no problem. So you see, I have not connected this node MCU, my laptop. Okay. Excuse me. And if you see, there are how many ports? Nine, three, five, four, six, and eight. Okay. So, excuse me. The moment I connect this device to my laptop, yes, I have correct. And you might have been heard this sound, tadang. And yes, my dear friends, which new port is there? I think seven. Am I right? Is it seven? It's nine, three, five, four, six. Is it seven or six? I get confused. Which port came here? Anybody? Anybody new port? Yes. Is it six? I'm confused. Okay. You confused. Some are saying seven, some is saying six. Let me remove it. Let me remove it. Now I have just a minute. I have removed it. I have removed it. So yes, seven. It should be seven because the moment I removed it, it is seven. Jigar Kumar requested no. Okay. So now let me correct it. Okay, I have corrected it. It's seven. It's seven. So let us take seven. And yesterday we have programmed it for on off. So as program is there. And let me select the board. It should be Node MCU 1.0. It should 1.0. Okay, and okay. Let me burn the code. I burn it. It will take some time, my dear friends. The first it will compile the code. This right tick, it's only compile the code, and second arrow, it will compile the code first and then will transfer the data. Now thingspeak.h library is not available to my laptop. This creates problem. Okay. uh, Abhishek sir, uh, in this thingspeak library is not there, so that's why it is created error. Okay, like my laptop, and on WhatsApp transfer me thingspeak.h library. Where you will get it? Where you will get it? Go to E drive, Arduino header file, E drive, Arduino header file, and zip file. Okay, if you are having problem, you can ask me. Okay, so I'll elaborate how this thingspeak.h library file can be included. So it results into error. Okay, so I got chance. I take this file. So please transfer it through WhatsApp, Abhishek. Okay. So now this before to install this file, somebody has said install ThinkSpeak library. Yes, yes, Nirmal, I'll take that file library and definitely I'll install it. Files are package code install. Yes, yes. Just Abhishek will transfer me that file and definitely we will install it. So give me some time. But to that, let me elaborate the code once again. Okay. So here, there is serial monitor. How many of you are able to see serial monitor? I have highlighting serial monitor. Yes. Are you able to see serial monitor? I am highlighting serial monitor. Okay. So how many of you know the function of serial monitor? Anybody? 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 What is function of this serial monitor? Should I give chance to speak? Should I give chance to speak? Anyone? Okay. Log the data where? Now, I hope ki I got that file. Just give me 1 minute. 1 minute. Wish- Yes. He has transferred me file. So I just download it. So it has been downloaded. Let me check where the folder is particular. Okay. Just a minute. So it is in download. Okay. So now what to do? Here I have to go to sketch, include library, add zip. Here I have to add zip. So I'm going to zip in downloads. There is ThinkSpeak Master and I say open. Okay. So here there is result. Library is installed. Library installed. Now let me compile the code. First I compile. Now I don't burn it. I just wanted to check whether there is any error or something like this. So I am compiling it. I'm not burning code. Okay. Shruti says serial monitor is for sending and receiving or communication. Yes, thank you, Veda Shruti. Charita says allows user to communicate with serial port, configure them, and monitor them. Very good, very good. Another function of it, it helps us to debug the code. That is very important. It helps us the debug the code. Okay, debugging means finding error, checking what is happening inside that particular process because we cannot go inside the processor. So what is happening inside the processor that we can check through the help of serial monitor. That is biggest advantage of this. Let me tell you from when I started working with Arduino and this particular devices, it became very easy for me because when I was working on 8051, everything we have to imagine. There is nothing to do with this serial communication and so on. So it is difficult for 8051 to debug the things. Everything we just have to go on what I can say by your imagination. And to develop project was taking too much time. Means if by using 8051, if any project takes 2 days, by using these devices it takes only 2 or 3 hours. That is the difference. Okay, is the advantage of this new technology. Now let me burn the code. Let me burn the code. Now compiling sketch and again burning code. So in here it will show the process. Upload error. It is given error. Why? COM7, I think COM port is not selected. That's why it has given error. Node MC node. Okay, port is not selected because I have removed it, I think. Okay, now again compile. Okay, why there is problem? Uploading fail. Okay, let me remove this particular device and let me correct another one. I'm correcting the device because it is giving error in uploading the code. Let me again check. It is COM7 node MCU. Okay, select. Let me again upload. If now it results into error, means there might be the problem of driver. Okay. So if again it results into error, no. Yes, now it is burning. So there might be problem with this node MCU. I have to check it. Okay. So I keep it aside. I have taken new node MCU. It might be possible that it may get damaged. Depends. Okay. I have to check it. Later I'll check that particular node MCU and come to the result whether it is damaged or whether I have committed any mistake. Okay. So now uploading the data and data uploading is done. So now I am opening serial port. Okay. Board is not connected. Why? Just a minute. It is showing board is not connected. So I done uploading. So let me program it again. So it is giving problem. Okay, just a wait. Just a minute. So this happens, friends, when we work with any hardware, it may give you problem. At that time, we have to have patience. Okay, if you don't have patience, we cannot work in hardware. Okay, patience is only this time of these things will happen. It always happens when before coming of external or teacher, our projects run very fine, and the moment teacher comes or external comes, our projects start not working. So that always happen with us. Many of you have experienced this thing? How many of you have experienced this thing? I just just wanted to port monitor error. There open failed. Okay. So yes, me Nizamuddin says this happens with me. Yes, sir, it happens, and now it is again happening with me also. Okay. So now let me open. Yes, this happens, always happens. और टाइम पे ये धोखा देने में बहुत माहिर होते हैं हार्डवेयर वगैरह प्रोजेक्ट इन जनरल सो ओके joke up. Let me open device manager. What happens? We are going to see. Okay? Whether there is problem of this device, I think there should not be problem of device. Two device cannot give the same problem. So there must be problem in our drivers. So let me check the driver. LPT and COM. Oh, this COM 7. It's fine. Okay. So again, I do one thing. I remove this from this port. Okay, COM 7 not there, and change. I try to change the port. Okay. So this we have to do. We have to take this effort again. COM 7 is there. Let me burn it again. Let me burn it again. And yes, now it has automatically taken. So I hope it will work. Previously that it was not taken automatically. Assumptions. Okay. All these are assumptions. So again, okay, code is getting burned. At the end, it was given problem. So not to come to any conclusion, check it. Just give me 1 minute. Uploading, done uploading. Right. Yes, done uploading. So now might be I don't know what is the problem. I just changed the port. Okay, mismatching might be there. So again, let us monitor. Okay, now it is dot. Yes. My dear friends, I have not opened the hotspot of ABCD. This is my mobile. Now I'm opening the hotspot. I have opened the hotspot. Now it is showing me dot. Now it is giving command to my mobile. Let me connect it. Yes. And the moment it find that particular hotspot, it will get connected. Wi-Fi connected. Wi-Fi connected. And we are getting data zero. We are getting data zero. Okay. How many of you don't understand what is happening, sir? We are not understanding anything. How many people are in the room? Some people are giving my answer. Very fine, no problem. Means you might have been done work previously. Some people might be in the room. They are something. Yes, what this sir is doing? What the things? What the things are taking place? We are not understanding anything. Is there anyone like this in the room? Please open. Unless and until you open it, so I'll not understand. Okay. So understand partially. Umesh says understand partially. Thank you, Beta Umesh, for your openness. Okay. Definitely, I'm going to elaborate. Anybody like Umesh partially, sir, understand? Yes, partially understanding, sir. Yes, partially. Charita says, I'm going to elaborate it. Once again, I'm going to elaborate it. Okay. Okay. Now, how many of you from where this zero is coming? Anybody in the room can elaborate from where this zero is coming? From where this zero is coming? Anybody? From API field, sir. Very good. Very good, beta Harshan. Nizamuddin. Uh, Shabnur. Thank you. From field. Okay. So many people don't understand what these people are saying. Charita from field. Okay. Many people don't understand what these students are saying. So now let me elaborate. Let me elaborate. I'm opening out. Yes. Okay. So I'm going to private view और इसको थोड़ा सा adjust करते minimize करके. 1 minute. I have adjusted this so that we should be able to observe the things. Now see, do you know what is data here? It is zero. It is zero. And now I am changing that data. I am changing. See, before that, I have sent one API key through WhatsApp to my mobile. How many of you remember this? How many of you remember this? I sent URL. I copied that URL. I paste that URL to me by using WhatsApp. Okay. So now I am opening that URL in my browser, and please tell me what data I have. You becomes what I can say imagination or God can imagine what data I have sent, something like this. Just joking. Eh? So yes, yes. Now I copied this link. Okay. Now I'm pasting it. Just a minute. Huh? I pasted it, and now I'm changing that data. Who can say me what data I have? Still, I have not sent data. Now I have sent the data. It will take some time. I have sent the data. Who can tell me what data I have sent? No. Who can say me what data I have sent? Who can send me what data I have sent? Through link. Through my mobile, I have sent one data byte. What is that data? Yes, it is five. It is five. It is five. So from mobile, I have transferred data to cloud. I have transferred data to cloud. Not six, my dear friends. Either it is five. I transferred that data to cloud, and we have written program to this node MCU to retrieve that data from, to read that data from cloud, to fetch that data from cloud. How many of you got this? Fully got or partially got? You fully understood or partially understood? Yes, understood. Partially. Jivesh is partially. Okay, no problem. No problem. Fully understood or partially understood? Please, please, please. Understood, sir. Very good. Shri Venal says partially, partially. No problem, no problem. Yes, partially. Today, we'll understood is completely, unless until you understood, I'm not going to leave you. And just give me 10 minutes. It is the matter of 10 minutes. Okay. Yes, fully understood. But my dear friends, Hari Prakash, let me elaborate so that each and everybody from the room understood. Okay. So now we did three things. What three things we did? Just a minute. Huh? Yeah. This is important. Are you able to see my PPT? This is important. One is transmitter. Now, what is transmitter in this case? Yes, please. What these things we have developed. Oh, what is transmitter in this case? Anybody? What is transmitter in this case? Yes, mobile. Mobile. In my mobile, I have copied the link to the browser and transferred data. I have transferred data equals to के सामने का data I have changed. Equals to के सामने का data I have changed. Okay. So it's mobile. Now, where that data will go? Where that data will go? Where that data will go? Yes, where that data will go? Yes, it will go to ThinkSpeak. Thank you, beta. Bibin Biju. Then Jivesh, Pranay, the cloud. Mohammed, it will go to the cloud. Very good. It will go to the cloud. Okay. Thank you very much. And from cloud, we have programmed this. We have programmed this. And now, can you tell me which is command, which is the command in the program that is taking data from cloud? Just a minute. Let me minimize this. Which is the command? Which instruction is responsible here to take data from cloud? From field. Okay. Okay. In the program, which is the command that is taking data from cloud? Again, understand my question. In program, which is command taking data from cloud. In short, please write. In short, INT field. Yes, thank you, Nizamuddin. It is this command. It is this command. Okay. Now, once I elaborate this program, once I elaborate this program again, okay, and then we'll proceed. Now, those people who understand partially, let them understand fully. This is the command wi-fi.h. It is responsible for this to connect with Wi-Fi. Okay. So can I understand each and everything? Answer is no. The person who has developed ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h, he has understood everything. We cannot understand because we don't know what he has written. So he has done ready work for us. We don't worry about it. We just use it, get our work done. That's it. Is it clear? Each and everything we cannot develop. Already platform is developed. Use that platform, apply it to your application, get output, and forget it. Is it clear? How many of you are understood? How many of you are understood? You cannot understand each and everything. But you can understand, this is the code. It is working like this, and that is my in this way I have to get the output. That's it. We have to understand only key features of the code. As I have written this code, answer is no. I have not written this code. Now I'll modify this code. I'll modify this code. Okay? Let us go ahead. Let us go ahead. It is not something like this. You sit in front of Viva, taking in front of your teacher, and he is asking you. Now you explain this Wi-Fi. What is there? How is there? It is not like this. Nobody can explain in this way. Only the person who has developed this, he explaining it. Okay. So now Wi-Fi.h, ThingSpeak.h. These are again libraries. ThingSpeak.h must be developed by ThingSpeak developer, and they have provided us code, and that is helping us to fetch the data. Now in setup, serial dot begin. Because of this serial dot begin, we are getting this dot 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 five and something. This device is taking data from the cloud and transferring this data through this particular cable. To this particular cable, data is transferring serially. Tim, who is this person? Identify and remove him from the meeting. Please identify this person, remove him from the meeting. So, see, so serial begin 9600, serial begin 9600. It is transferring data through this cable. Okay. But this command is initializing the serial port inside the controller with a baud rate of 9600. So can you elaborate what is this baud rate 9600? What is meaning of this? Anybody? Anybody? What is meaning of this? Anybody? Rate of data transfer. Yes, very good, very good. It is called baud rate. Umesh says baud rate. It is Sarshan say means in a 1 second this device will transfer one bit by one bit, one after another 9600. In a 1 second it will transfer 9600. It's two-wire communication. One is transmitter, one is receiver. So it will transfer 600 bits and it can receive 9600 bits. Okay, so that is meaning of this. Is it clear? So why we need it? Because we are transferring data through this cloud. Okay, through us, not through cloud, no, through this wire. I'll again elaborate it. So that is serial begin 9600. ThingSpeak again initializing command. Wi-Fi disconnect. It disconnect if it is already connected. Then delay. Then this is ID of hotspot and password. Unless and until it will get connected. See, unless and until it will get connected, you might have been saying dot 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 dot. So this code is responsible. The moment Wi-Fi status is not equals to Wi-Fi connected, it will put dot. It will wait for 300 millisecond. Again, it is not connected. Dot dot dot. You might have been seen on the screen. Dot 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 dot. How many of you understood this while loop? How many of you understood this while loop? Initially, now again I am resetting this. Just now I have resetted the now say dot 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 dot. I have resetted this device. Now this dot dot it is in while loop. Continuously it is in while loop. Okay. And the moment it got the access of this device, this instruction, while in bracket not connected, becomes false and it has terminated the while loop, and now it is serial print, and that's why we are able to see Wi-Fi connected. How many of you understood this code? I hope, I hope you must understood this code. Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, my dear friends. Thank you. Thank you. Now see, again, we are proceeding further. I is equals to thing speak read field. This is channel. This is reading the data. Is reading the data, and we are printing it on serial monitor. We are printing it on serial monitor. I hope you understood the things. Now, let me change that data once again. And now, please let me know which data I have transferred. Which data I have transferred. I have transferred data. Takes 10 to 15 seconds to reflect here because it goes to particular cloud and then again it fetch. So which data? Yes. Jivesh says 4. Yes, I have transferred 4. So, so now locally, can you control any LED? If I transfer one data, it is on. If I transfer another data, it is off. Can I do this? Can I do this? Now data is in I. I'll compare I. If I is this, do this. If I is that, do that. Can I do this? Can I can I do it? Yes. Now I am getting data from the cloud, and depending on cloud, can I perform action locally? Answer is yes. Answer is yes. 101%. 101%. Yes. Okay. So tomorrow we are going to complete application. Tomorrow we are going to complete uh, full application through this mobile. I'm not going to copy the link. We are developing complete app, Android app, so that we can press the button. If I press on button, the device becomes on. If I press off button, device becomes off. That app we will develop, but before to develop that app, we will connect one LED and we'll take data from the cloud and switch it on and off. So are you excited to complete this app? How many of you are ready and excited to complete this app? Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Thank you very much, my dear friends. Thank you. Yes, thank you, thank you. Yes, today I'm feeling excited to teach you. So now, okay, thank you. Ready, sir? Paulizer says, then excited, Sri Velena, Jivesh Puja, and so on. Thank you. So now here, I stop sharing. Okay. And yesterday, some student has asked me, and many student has requested me on my WhatsApp, sir, whatever 3 month offer you have given, please open that offer. Okay. So what is that offer? Let me elaborate within 5 minutes. Okay. Uh, see, let me open that. Let me elaborate that offer within 5 minutes. Then I'll open the link. It will be open for 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, those people who will take action, they will get the chance. Okay. Otherwise, I'll stop that particular link. So now, within 5 minutes, let me explain the offer. My team, please transfer that particular link, reserve link. So now that off, the internship is for completely 3 months. Okay. It is recorded internship. So now what is, we are going to provide you embedded C programming complete course, the worth rupees of 1099. It is 58 videos. So around, if you provide half an hour, my dear friends, are you able to see? Oh, I have not shared the things. Oh, sorry, 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 sorry. Very they are a sending link on WhatsApp group as well as you put here also in link. Just a minute. Just a minute. I have not shared. Okay. Now it has been shared. Are you able to see? Are you able to see my PPT? Yes. No. No. Now. Yes. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now see, yes, just a minute. So it is 58 videos are there. If you see only two videos, how much time you have to provide daily? It's just half an hour to 1 hour, not 1 hour. If you provide half hour daily, then this course can be completed within 25 days to 30 days. Okay, that's simple course, but very effective course. Those who don't understand C programming, I taught it from the basics. Okay, and I covered it till till I have covered it Bluetooth communication. Again, I am going to add content to this. Okay, this will be lifelong offer to you. Now, new projects I am going to add to this. The access of that you will get it. Okay, now it is 56 video. It will go up to 70 to 80 videos. Okay, and the cost will remain same. I'm not going to increase the cost. Once you purchase it, whatever the things you got, the cost will remain same for you. Now, another course, multifunction robot. In this, 14 to 15 robots are taught. Okay, so how to develop that robots? It is explained thoroughly with programming, and the cost is 1499. This particular course you can complete within 20 days to 30 days. And another IoT, whatever course we are learning, we have recorded it separately. We are not providing the recording of this today. We have recorded it separately, thoroughly, and we are providing this to you. Whatever syllabus we are covering for 10 days, that will remain as it is. But apart from that, we are going to include one more cloud, that is Arduino cloud. Okay, and the moment time permits, I'm going to add third cloud also. Yet I have not decided which is third cloud. So whatever contents will go on improving, go on increasing, but whatever price you got, that will remain same. It is not going to change. Okay, so those students who are serious to learn, you take it. This is for your lifeline. If you are in second year, third year, at least 2, 3 years, it will help you. And anytime, the moment you stuck at your project, you can watch this. Okay. So apart from this, what you will get? You will get 6 live doubt sessions. In what way I came here, the same way, within 15 days, I'll meet with the people who has bought this course. And definitely now there are 100 people in the room. Definitely there will be no 100 people, only 30 to 40 people will be there. Definitely I'll elaborate with each and every person to solve their doubts and queries. 6 live sessions. Okay. The cost comes around 999. Then 2 sessions I'll take it on mind session. See, this is very important. Whatever stuff I am giving you, if you are not taking it properly, somebody is doing that drawing something in a particular room. There is yesterday it was 100 people or 90 people, but the attendance was 192 people. From where it comes? Definitely from that group. So most of the people came here for attendance. So mindset is wrong. Attendance is not important. What stuff you are learning, that is important. How many of you agree with me? Attendance is important. Okay, you will get certificate. But if you don't have certificate, but you are having knowledge, if you are having certificate with knowledge, and if you are having certificate without knowledge, certificate without knowledge, that is of no use. Certificate with knowledge, definitely it is useful. Are you agree? Yes, yes, yes. So it is mindset. It is mindset. See, I'm 43 of age. My age is 43. Still, I am learning a lot, and that learning has given me strength to leave my job. When I left my job in 2013, I was assistant professor in engineering college, and because of this stuff, because mindset, that has given me strength to leave my job. And now we are working with our company Center of Excellence, and we are working to change the life of this knowledge. With this knowledge, if you don't have proper mindset, definitely it is not going to work. Okay, so that's why I'll take 2 mind sessions to what I can say, know me session. Unless and until I know me, I cannot know the world. I cannot deal with world. So this is very important. Mindset sessions are very important. 2 sessions I'll take. The cost is 499. All these things you are getting offer letter. Okay. Those who has registered, they got the offer letter. The course access they will get from 1st January. The course access they will get from the 1st January. you got offer letter, okay, and at the end you will get internship certificate of 3 months, okay. This certificate is worthwhile when you have completed the course, okay, when you will be having the knowledge. That is very important. The moment you show this letter to interviewer, he will say, okay, and he will ask you the question. And after asking question, if you are not able to give answer, so this letter is of no use. Okay, my dear friends. Okay. So my team, please share the link in the chat. Hello, please share the link in the chat. It might be already shared in what I can say WhatsApp group, chat. Reserve it in chat. Again, share it. Go on, complete it, share it again and again. Okay. So now certificate. The certificate you will get. This certificate is only having value when you'll be having knowledge, my dear friends. Okay. But this certificate give you chance to sit in front of interview. After that, if you are having knowledge, you will select. If you don't have, no. And this certificate will improve your value in your resume. When you send resume, and if I read your resume and I say so many courses, so many internship you had it, that gives me good thing about you. And the moment you sit in front of me for interview, if you are able to reflect that knowledge, then I again get pleased, and there is chance that I should be able to select you and give you higher package. But if you sit in front of me because of your resume, and if I ask you question, you are not able to give answer of my question, I come to know that these are fake certificates, and it creates very wrong impression. Okay, so knowledge with certificate is important. Remember, so take first course, improve your knowledge, and then get certificate. Definitely, if there is what I can say doubt, I'll come live and take your queries to your satisfaction. Okay. WhatsApp group community we are creating here. We are going to do some activities, active activities, and this WhatsApp community you will becomes lifelong member. Okay, till you get us, till you are having the requirement of we people support from our side. So this was what community you will get. Total price is 5695. Definitely, we are not taking that much amount. Okay, 499. Even we are not going to take your from your side 499. Actual value is 499. Whatever offer today, I'll give for 10 minutes. This offer. It is available only for 10 minutes. Later, if you'd like to buy, you can buy, but you have to pay 1499. 1499. This is actual price 1499. Okay, whatever value we are providing, that is 5695. Today for 10 minutes you are getting this offer at 499. Okay, so now this offer is valid till 8:15. This offer is valid till 8:15. Okay, so meanwhile, request to my team in chat, please, team, please give attendance link in. Don't transfer it to group. You transfer it to chat. Now today we are giving link here, and you can scan this QR or you can use this link. Yes, I want to learn PCB design as well as this course. Was Haridas, please go for this course. For PCB design, we are thinking soon you will get the PCB design course. Soon you will get PCB design course. Soon you will get one internship on PCB design. That will also be free. That at least basic part will be free. Okay, Haridas. So stay tuned for it. PCB design, we are thinking we will provide basic course on PCB design. Explain about internship once again. Okay. Jana, let me explain. See, just give me 1 minute only. Just give me 1 minute. I'll explain it. Just give me 1 minute. Only 1 minute. Only 1 minute. Yes, I'm sharing attendance link. Attend Team, please share attendance link on group. Okay. So what you'd like to know about internship? Let me explain it again. Okay, here is attendance link. Please fill attendance form as early as possible. It will be open for only 5 minutes. It will be open for only 5 minutes. Okay, it will be open for only 5 minutes. Now, let me explain once again what we are providing in this internship. Okay, what we are providing to this internship. Let me explain it again. See, it will be recorded courses first. In this recorded courses, you will get uh, 58 videos course of embedded C programming with Arduino. From basic, it is covered. Then multifunction robot, here 14 robots covered and programming of it. Then IoT course, whatever course we are going through now, as well as two clouds we are going to include. Cloud, two cloud is already included, and in future we are going to use third cloud also. Okay, so I hope you got this. Later, 6 doubt sessions for 3 months. You will complete it. I'll come live after 15 days, and whatever course you have completed, you might be having some doubt in that particular, you note that out, and in live session, you ask me query, I'll solve that. Then mindset session. In this mindset session, I'll ask, know me. Means how should our personality, what are from our backgrounds, and how I am growing, how I am changing the things about seeing the future, that I'll teach in this particular session. Know me. Then offer letter you will get. Okay, the moment you register, next day you will get offer letter by mail. Okay. Then intern at the end, completion of internship, you will get the certificate with your name. Okay. Then WhatsApp group you will get where we can communicate with each other so that we should be able to solve our difficulties. The value of is 5695. General price of this is 1499. If you register today, you will get it at 499. You'll get it at 499. If still you are having any query, you can ask me on chat. Okay. Uh, Sir, can you say about what are the 14 robots you will cover for 3 months? It is a Bluetooth operated robot, line follower robot, obstacle avoidance robot, hand follower robots, then the servo motor based robot, and so on. Based on this, there are 14 robots. Okay. Yes. Any another question? Any other question? Very. Please complete your registration as early as possible. Please complete your registration as early as possible. Learn basic to advanced level in hardware. Anjali, we are going to start basics of electronics and PCB design. So you join that internship. Definitely, it will start from basic to advanced. Payment is completed. Thank you, beta Charita. Payment is completed. Charita has yes. Sarita has done the sir. We run API link in browser, but in Arduino board. No, no, I don't understand. What you would like to ask, sir? We run API link in browser, but in Arduino board, where it Arduino board में कैसे run होगा? No, we don't run it. You mean to say in Arduino serial software we have to run it? It's not possible, boss. We have to run it in this. Is done. Samsung में. हाँ, आज आज के लिए नहीं. So now let me show you who to whom I got the payment. Nizamuddin. Nizamuddin has done the payment. Okay. Then next payment is from Smith. Charita has done the payment. Thank you, beta Charita. Thank you very much, Charita. Then next one is it's yeah. Thank you, beta Kshitija. Kshitija has done the payment. Thank you very much, Kshitija. Okay, okay. Four people has done the paper. If you are interested, please do it. Within 500, you are not going to get these things again. Let me tell you. Day by day, we are advancing the things, and as some people has said, keys we have to learn from basics to advance. How many of you are from electronics background? How many of you are from electronics background? Sir, I can, yes, you can exit. If you give attendance, you can exit. Okay. But those who are interested to know much more about the courses and would like to learn from basics to advance, they can remain here. Okay. Okay. Nizamuddin from electronics, Madhura, Umesh. Okay. How many of you are from electronics background? Pitija. So would you like to learn basics of electronics and PCB design? Basics of electronics and yes, ANTC. Would you like to learn basics of electronics? Is how that Kirchhoff's law can be used for actual circuit. Might have been done that Kirchhoff's, you might have been solved a number of circuit, but you don't know how to select the component. How many of here are such a kind of people who don't understand how to select the component or get this question? Sir, when you somebody taught on the class mathematical expression or everything we understand, but we don't understand the basics of electronics. Nizamuddin, if you are from a computer background, don't worry, beta. For you, I'm having so much of the stuff like AI, then Python and other things. So definitely don't get disheartened. In IoT, basically all branches are covered. That's why I have started with IoT. For everybody, I'm having different of stuff. So definitely don't get disheartened, Nizamuddin. At the end of this internship, I'll show you my experiment so that you can understand what we are doing. So don't get disheartened, but need to focus on ECE, sir. Uh, for somewhat you have to focus on ECE. Nizamuddin, see, anyhow, there is program inside the chip. Okay, so there is programming. When you work with company, you are going to work in hardware part will be handled by your colleague who is expert in hardware. You have to handle software. Okay, but for time being, you can understand that is not much difficult. If you work for 2, 3, 5 hours in a week, then these stuffs are very easy. I'm talking 5 hours in a week. If you're due to this particular stuff, it has these are very easy. So you don't have to worry. Though you are from EC background, though you are from IT background, though you are from electronics background, now electronics has to say, sir, I have to learn software. Yes, you have to learn it. Electronics people has to learn software, computer people has to learn hardware if you like to remain live in the world today. If you would like to remain live in the world today, you have to learn hardware, you have to learn software. The person who is from background software background, they have to learn hardware, and the person who is from hardware background, they have to learn software. You don't have any choice. Basically, I'm a person from hardware background, but I'm very happy that I'm working more on software, because without software, hardware cannot be programmed, and if we don't work with this, we cannot develop actual project. And next, you have to work in mechatronics also. If you're working on robot, you should have the knowledge of electronics with mechanical. So we have to work it. We have to work it, and that is not much difficult things. Once you start doing the things practically, it becomes very easy. Once you start doing the things practically, it becomes very easy. You enjoy the things, and once you start working with practically, you are easily able to write your papers. If you one examples of my student Vedant, his polytechnic background, he came to me by taking back of 12 papers. 12 papers he was taking back, and he was DC. So he remained with me for 6 months. From morning 8, he was working till 7, and in the next semester, he is able to 11 paper with less study. He is able to he is able to clear 11 paper with less study. How it happened? Because he started working practically and with experiment. So that gives him the strength. Now he has taken admission to BE college. Now he's second year in Amravati. Okay, thank you, sir. Actually, I am from EC, but working as a software developer. Need to shift to hardware or embedded system. Why, sir? Anyway, I think this helps me for yes. Thank you, Beta Nizamuddin. Thank you. So I hope today's agenda is clear. I think you haven't mentioned attendance. Team, please close attendance. Close the attendance. Yes. And for again 5 minutes, I keep this payment link open. After 5 minutes, it will also get closed. Okay. So, my dear friends, thank you very much for your time and patience. And you are giving me chance to serve you. Thank you very much, friends. Thank you very much. So, see you tomorrow with complete application. We'll see complete application of Android. Here I'll place the button that will transfer data to cloud, and from cloud we are blinking the LEDs. Even tomorrow, if time permits, I'll show you actual 230-volt bulb and operation of it. Okay. So see you friends. See you tomorrow. Thank you very much. Yes, GS says I am excited. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Jewish. So now see you. See you tomorrow, friends. Bye. See you.